Here, as per the mu understanding, we have two kids and parents. Consider J4 is parents and K4 is both kids. Here, the condition is everyone will be happy, which is equal to both the kids and the parents for each family get to do at least one of their requested activities. As per my understanding, if any one of the cell is true, then the result should be true. At least one activity from each family. So from the above option, answer will be the part B, which is equal to or J4 K.